and we still in Hawaii. Hi. Got this thing from Pokemon Worlds in Honolulu. Shout out to Slow Your Roll here in Hilo. One of my favorite spots to go check out, like board games or just cards in general. Shout out to them. This is where I got this. But we're not here for all this. Your boy Dre. We still out here in Hawaii. EXO in the building with Crown. Now I saw the live performance. I think it was at the Million Music Awards. I think it is, or is it Mama Awards? I'm not sure. I can't remember right now. I think it was Mama Awards. They performed this. No CBX though. In this I heard, which is like very like, you know, come on y'all, come on SM, get your ish together, come on, like give what the people want. Give what the people want. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon to support me. Twitch live streams, which I haven't been able to do Twitch live streams here. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Captions on. 4K. Where are we going? Who's on fire? Oh, wait, hold up. Yep, I knew it.
Crown, now we're back and touching down. It's the king of the town.
Ooh.
The street, the crowd, take that. 가져도 돼 모든 걸. Yeah, we coming for that.
Wait, sorry. I got two turn. Damn, Kai, you just out here laying like that? Wait, hold up. Let me fix myself. Well, we about to react to EXO. We need to look good for this. All right, come on. All right.
It's the king of the town. On the street, the crowd, take that. 가져도 돼 모든 걸. Yeah, we coming for that.
Oh, that was like a mid body roll. Destroying cities in this bitch every time they come back. Bro, it's so dramatic and epic. The effects in this. Ooh. Yeah. Sorry, he hypnotized me. Ooh. Hey. Oh, that was pretty dope. Bro, you got me sweating. I got guests coming over. I'm gonna be sweating my armpits because of EXO. The little. Ooh. Coming for the crown. Oh, it's so epic. It's so dramatic. I love it. Like the music video, the sound of it. Crown. Ooh. Yes. Take me. Oh, that's badass. Whoa. I can't do that. Oh, he getting shot. Oh. Okay. Crazy. Bro, I'm sweating already because of this. Talk about it. Oh, he got capes on? Oh, royalty right here. They are royalty. Wait. I looked away when it was a dance break. Oh, he is serious. He is sweating too. I know he. Okay. Is that sweat or just like glisten? He's glistening. Ooh, come on, Kai in the middle, getting that. Ooh, that little hand jewelry was. Whoa, that's crazy. The effects in this. Okay, EXO. My bad, EXO. My bad. I think the only complaint I have of this, obviously, No CBX. Dio is so good. Oh my god. Oh, just look at him. Just look at him. Can we just all just look at this? It's not the best pause, but it's a good pause. I feel like any pause of Dio is a good pause. Anyway, K-pop is growing bigger and bigger as I see it through years and years. I feel like you gotta know EXO and their discography if you want to be like a true K-pop fan, like a multi-fan, you know. Listen, I keep on bringing CBX, but I feel like with CBX they'll be at their Ultra Instinct EXO, you know what I'm saying? And this got me lit. This is fire. Like the way it starts, like I think it was Chanyeol.
King of the town on the street,
Right here, got me lit. Then update. It's so dramatic. It's so epic. I love that about K-pop in general too. And it feels classic in a way too. Obviously, it is EXO. Royalty, legends, veterans at this ish. Put a comments down below what you guys think of EXO's Crown. I will be checking out all other things. I know I've been seeing the comments in Hypen, Nona, All Drive 1, MV. There's a lot of things that I have to check out. Taking into account, I am here with family, spending time with family. I haven't seen him like in a while in Hawaii. All right, y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think of EXO's Crown. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon, my Twitch live streams. I'm gonna try to Twitch live stream here, but I feel like the internet here is not gonna be stable. We're gonna try either way. And be sure to check out the other reaction videos I'll be coming out on this channel. Hope you have a great day, rest of your day or night. Be sure to keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Like this video. Hit that like, subscribe, share this video. Go. Stream EXO. Let's get it. Come on.
Hey, you better subscribe.